Before I start my topic today, a warmest greetings to everyone. My name is Bimbot P. Custodio. Let us learn together and enjoy this topic. These are the objectives of this topic. First, use the law of cosine to solve oblique triangles. And the second one, solve applied problems using the law of cosine. My topic today is all about cosine law. Let's learn together how to solve using cosine rule in non-right triangle. Now, let us know what is cosine law of non-right triangle. For any triangle, A, B, and C are sides. C is the angle opposite side C. The law of cosines, also called the cosine rule, says A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. B squared equals A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos B. C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. These are the formula we use to solve the oblique triangle in law of cosine. Now, take note, if there is two sideline and one angle, we can solve this non-right triangle by using cosine law. Now, let's look through example. What is cosine law? Looks alike. For example, number 1, how long is side C? Based on the figure shown, so to solve this problem, we know angle C is equal to 37 degree and side A equals 8 and side B equals 11. The law of cosine says C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. Put in the values we know, C squared equals 8 squared plus 11 squared minus 2 times 8 times 11 cos 37. Do some calculations, so we have C squared equals 64 plus 121 minus 176 times 0.798. More calculation, C squared equals 44.552. Take the square root, so we have C is equal to square root of 44.552 is equal to 6.67 to decimal places. Therefore, the value of C is equal to 6.67. Now, let's have another example so that we can understand. So, example number 2, in triangle ABC, measure angle A is equal to 36, while B is equal to 17 cm and C is equal to 12 cm. Find A. So, based on the figure shown, so let's solve by applying the cosine rule, we get A. A is equal to square root of B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. Then, put the value. So, A is equal to square root of 17 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 17 times 12 cos 36. Then, do calculation. So, we have A is equal to square root of 289 plus 144 minus 2 times 17 times 12 times cos 36 degree. Then, A is equal to square root of 289 plus 144 minus 2 times 17 times 12 times 0.809. Then, we have the value of A is equal to 10 centimeter. Now, let's proceed to another example so that we can understand deeply. For example, number 3, find the length of the x in the following figure. Then, the diagram show, by applying the cosine rule, we get x. Now, x squared is equal to 22 squared plus 28 squared minus 2 times 22 times 28 cos 97. Then, x squared is equal to 1,268 minus 1,232 cos 97. Then, x squared is equal to 1,418.143. So, we have x is equal to 37.658. Okay, so now, let's proceed to another example so that we can understand deeply in this topic. In triangle XYG, x is equal to 20, y is equal to 16.4, and g is equal to 23.1. What is the measurement of angle G? So then, g squared is equal to x squared plus y squared minus 2xy cos g. Then, 2xy cos g is equal to x squared plus y squared minus g squared. Then, rearrange. So, cos g is equal to x squared plus y squared minus g squared over 2xy. Then, measure angle g. Cos inverse x squared plus y squared minus g squared over 2xy. Then, measure angle g. Cos inverse 20.4 squared plus 16.4 squared minus 23.1 squared over 2 times 20.4 times 16.4. So, we have the value of measure angle G approximately to 77 degree. Okay, now, thank you so much for listening, and I hope I put some knowledge to you and to everyone. Thank you for listening. God bless you all.